Hi children, as we discussed in a previous session about the solar system, and now we are going to learn about other heavenly bodies. The structure of the solar system very interesting. We have innermost planets, the four that are rocky planets. Mars is a very small planet. The asteroid belt between Jupiter and Mars is a source of many of our meteors. Most of the mass is in the largest asteroids, and most of the asteroids are relatively small. And these are a couple of theories why no planets formed in the asteroid belt early on in the solar system history. One is that Jupiter drifted inwards towards Mars and hurled the bodies in the asteroid belt, either into the inner planet region, outer towards the Kuiper belt, the left the planetesimal, these with too much energy to form a planet, the Mars, and hurl the bodies in the asteroid belt. The rocks and icy planets into the inner solar system and the outer solar system. The origin of solar system is a fascinating. Natural objects such as rocks in the space are called asteroids and meteors. The rocks between Mars and Jupiter make up the asteroid belt. A comet is a small burning object that passes through the solar. What is a comet? We can see comet in the night. Rarely visit us comets. Comets are icy objects, typically a few. The elliptical object carrying them from close to the sun all the way to the outer edge of the solar system. The comet close to the sun, its outer layer of ice melts and evaporates, creating an atmosphere of gas and dust around the comet. This atmosphere is called coma. There is no such orbit of the comet. It can move or it can visible and a collection of many planetary systems along with clouds of gases and dust rocks is called galaxy. There are uncountable galaxies in the universe. The name of our galaxy is the Milky Way. All these galaxies are part of the universe. In this universe, we can have so many galaxies as we discussed. But for the Earth, we have Milky Way, what we have in our universe. This is called the galaxy. In the galaxy, our Earth is a small dot. It looks like a small dot. Like this, galaxies are having uncountable. Discovered zero. He is a great mathematician and astronomer in ancient times from India. He is a person who knows to count the planets in the solar system. Children, can you identify what is this? Yes, this is a satellite. Satellite means what? Satellite means a satellite is an object that has been intentionally placed into orbit. This orbit are called artificial satellite. To know about our neighboring planets and heavenly bodies. For example, Mangalyaan was sent to study Mars in 2013 by the first person
who traveled into space was Yuri Gagarin from Russia. In 1961, Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to travel into space in 1984. The moon is the only heavenly body that people have traveled to. It takes photographs of Mars and space around it. Mangalyaan is famous. It was successfully in the first attempt. Just have a look how it works, the satellite, and how we'll get the network connections without any wire connection. Because of satellite, we can enjoy all the facilities. Recently, from our India, we sent 2 satellites. One is Chandrayaan 1 and Chandrayaan 2. But unfortunately, it was unsuccessful. Just have a look how it works and how it rotates. It rotates in a optical path. Because of satellite, recently our scientists, they used to know about the Jupiter nearly it has 67 moons around it. Previous scientists, they proved that 53 moons, but now some scientists are saying that Jupiter has 67 moons. Yes, children, what are heavenly bodies? The heavenly bodies are natural objects found in space. Universe, the name given to the great collection of all the living things, planets, stars, satellite, galaxy, and so on. Okay, children, we will end up our session till here. Just go through the lesson. Okay, children, bye bye.